Hello everybody, welcome back to the Teacher Kenneth Show. Today's topic is an exciting one. It's phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition. This is a verb in this case. These are all verbs, the first word. So back, bump, come, find, get, hang, make, run, watch, turn. All right? And a verb is an action. A preposition is a location, where something is. So you see here down, into, across. Okay, so those are some examples. And we're going to talk about all 10 phrasal verbs today. There's actually a ton of them. And these are very important phrases because they're used all the time and they can mean many different things, as you'll see. First word is back down. Back down means to quit, give up. All right? So it stops, like, oh no, I can't do it anymore. Somebody's going to fight you. You say, no, you back down, you stop. You don't want to fight. So if I use it in a sentence, the man backed down from the fight. So he stopped. He's like, no, I don't want to fight. I'm backing down. Bump into. Let's say you're outside, you're going to the mall, and suddenly you see your friend, you're shopping. Joe, hey, Joe, it's me. Joe says, wow, hey, how are you? Another definition of bump into is you're just looking at something on Facebook, and then suddenly you bump into a tree because you weren't watching where you were going. So that's why you have to be careful. All right, so our next word, come across. To find something you weren't looking for it. So imagine you feel like you're like, oh, I'm so hungry. What can I do? And then suddenly you see McDonald's and you say, wow, I'm gonna go eat at McDonald's because you just come across it. You didn't know it was there. All right? So that's to come across. Another definition is, let's say you meet somebody for the first time and they come across as angry or upset. Number 4, find out. Learn something. Find out the answer. Teacher Kenneth, can you tell me what 5 plus 5 is? No. You need to find out for yourself. Next one, number 5, hang out. Relax or to have fun with a friend. So you want to hang out with somebody. Hey, let's go hang out at the mall. Let's go hang out at McDonald's again. I'm going to hang out at my house. I'm going to relax. I'm going to play a game. Hang out. Let's go ride some bikes or bicycles. All right, number 6. Get over. Get over the water. Get over the river. Somebody. So maybe you and your boyfriend or you and your girlfriend, you break up. Break up is a phrasal verb. Okay, but break up means you say goodbye. Bye. Oh, I'm so angry. I hate you. Oh, I hate you too. Okay, goodbye. That is if you break up, then you need to get over it. Go to number 7. It means to kiss for 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour. All right, let's go to number 8. This is milk. You want some milk for your cereal, and you want to pour the milk into the bowl. But what happened? It's gone. So you have run out of milk. It's gone. So you have none. You have run out of milk. Look, another one here. Number 9. Number 9 is watch out. This is you. You're having a nice day. Your eyes are looking this way. Basketball, and it's coming right at your head. They say, watch out. Watch out. Like, look out. You turn around. Okay? Watch out, you don't want to get hit in the head. Something's coming. It can also mean, watch out can also mean just look. Watch out for some bears, or watch out for the car when you cross the street. One more. Number 10, turn down. So here there are two main definitions. Okay? One is turn down the music, and two, denied. So maybe you like a girl at school, or you like a boy at school, and you say, hey, will you be my boyfriend? Hey, will you be my girlfriend? No, no thank you, sorry. And number one, if the music is too loud, they'll say, turn it down, it's too loud, right? Turn the music down, it's too loud. Shh. Okay, so that's going to be it for the day. Hopefully you've learned something awesome from our 10 phrasal verbs, and these are very common words in the English language. Okay, so take care. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time.